Welcome to Uneatly Tae Christmas 2020, providing you with lots of holiday cheer with DIYs, home decor, tablescapes, shopping videos, and much more. If you like these types of videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Vlogmas is finally here, everyone, and I cannot wait to show you what I have in store. So sit back, relax, and tune in. Hello everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It is finally Vlogmas 2020. Look at the babies in the bag. Say hey y'all. We on our way to Dollar Tree. So I'm so excited to give you first dibs on my first Vlogmas video. So just stay tuned and I'll give you some more footage in the store. Alright everybody, I'm finally back home. Just got back from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you the little items that I picked up. As I was browsing through a lot of the stuff, I have a lot of things that's similar to that. And I didn't really see point of actually like buying duplicates. Because a lot of times I do that, I buy a lot of the same stuff. So I only got what I was actually going to the store for this time. And that's rare. I always pick up a lot of extra stuff. So I'm getting ready to show you some of the little small items that I bought. It's not much, but I just want to share it. Alright everybody, I got my girls. I'm about to look through the little stuff that I got. I only got 2 items and the other stuff I bought was just snacks. So I'm gonna put this right here on our silver Christmas tree. Our silver, I call it our white Christmas tree. Got all the little snowy light theme stuff in here. And these light up. So I've never tried these before. I got 2 of them. Make sure. Got 2 of them. And the directions says that you put all 3 of these flat batteries right there in each one. So we're gonna start up. All right, this is the icicle right here, all lit up. Honestly, I don't really like how it looked lit up. I'm gonna step back. As you can see, it looks completely different than the tree. Like the lights of the tree, with it lit up, it gives off like a bluish hue color. I'm gonna turn to the side, and it still looked that way. So my oldest daughter was like that. She was just like me. It resembles real ice better without it being lit. So what we did, we just took the batteries out of it. So we got the icicles on the tree without it being lit. I only bought like 2 packs, and in each pack there are 2. So I may end up going back getting more, but I like it better without it being lit. It looks like a real icicle. So we're gonna turn this light right here, right on out in just a minute. All right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in.